Good morning everyone. My name is Anvika Mishra and I study in class 7. So today let's enter the world of vegetative reproduction, which means producing plants without seeds. So it's an interesting thing that how can we produce a plant without any seed. So it has so many parts by producing plant by vegetative reproduction. So let us understand a simple method. So in some plant like bryophyllum plants, some tiny smaller buds come out from the edges or margin of the plant which grow smaller roots, and after some time they fall on the ground and grows a new plant. So a new plant can be grow from a leaf, and it has sprouts on its edges, so that's the reason this plant is also called sprouting plant. So it has so many examples related to this, like the banana multiplies with the help of buds on their stem. So we can produce plant in vegetative reproduction by artificial methods also. So producing plants by artificial method is called artificial reproduction. Artificial reproduction have four parts, which are grafting, cutting, layering, and tissue culture. So, grafting is plant propagation technique in which stem or branch of one plant is joined to the root system of other plant, which grows new plant with combining best qualities of both plants. So, it is called grafting. And cutting is also a plant reproduction technique in which stem is cutted from a plant which is dipped into animal urine and put it into moist soil, and fastly a plant can grow by the cutting method. Third is layering. Layering is plant reproduction technique which means producing plants by giving a cut in the middle of the branch or stem. Firstly a stem is given a cut in the middle and then it is put into moist soil attached to the parent plant, like a stem is put in like this, and after some time it start growing, and this way plant can reproduce by layering. And jasmine plant is reproduced from the process of layering. So let us understand tissue culture. So tissue culture means producing plants by tiny cells in a lab, and disease-free plants can be produced quickly and efficiently. So there were four parts of vegetative reproduction and it have many advantages. So the advantages of vegetative reproduction are producers can grow plants faster in large quantities, and fruit can be grown without seed, and the new grown plant has exact characteristics as its parent plant, and plant producers can grow plant with required characteristics, and the best thing is vegetative plant grows faster than the seed plant. So hope you all understand. Thank you.